Hey there, and welcome back. So we created the update, product by ID, and let's finish up with the last one here, the delete in the CRUD. So we have a complete CRUD setup in the products and can work with these. So it's not that difficult because it's going to look like the update and be a little bit more simple because we don't need to have a body. We just need to have an ID to tell Mongo or the database what collection is to be deleted. So if we copy it and we write delete product by ID, we still need to have the ID in the parameters. We need to connect, and then you can see we have find by ID and delete. And we can remove this here, and it just needs to have the ID as a parameter. And we don't need any JSON body. Maybe we need to modify this. Cannot delete product with ID. We have the same issue as we did with update. We might have an issue where the user will provide an ID that does not exist in the database, and we need to handle that using the 404 and then a message to the client. And delete it. Let's see, error updating, error deleting by ID. Okay. All right, so that's it for this delete route. Let's go to the router. Delete, do like this. So we have basic CRUD functionalities here. Then we can copy this one. We can do delete. We need the ID, and we just need to use delete. All right. So let's see if it works. If we go to Postman, let's see if we can find all the products. Okay, so let's just take product 2. We want to remove product 2. I'm going to copy the ID of it. I'm going to let's just make a new one. I'm going to make a new request. Delete product by ID. We need localhost 4000 API product, and we need to have the ID here, and we need to modify the method here. So we say delete. Yes. So let's try to see what happens. First off, let's make a test first to see if this works the same way. Let's modify our ID so we don't so we check if we get a sensible message if we provide a faulty ID. So we say 1 instead of 6 here, and so we say cannot delete 404. This seems to work. So let's see what happens if we delete it. Product was successfully deleted. Let's get all products. So now we should only have one. We only have product 1 then. Seems to work. Let's see here. If we save it, now it will mark. We have full CRUD here. We have create. We have reads, different reads. We have update and delete. Okay, so first part of this CRUD here is done. We have full CRUD or almost full CRUD on the products. We can always do extra functions if we want specific functionality for getting something, or yes, can always be extended. Next up, we should start to work on how we incorporate these users, because we did the interface on the model for the users. How do we build the code so that we can register and we can log in and we can get a token, authorization token, and we can also protect some of these routes so that it is not possible to create a product or delete one or update one if we are not authorized, if we're not logged in. but that's for other videos. Okay, so I hope you make this work. Have fun and happy coding. Bye bye.